Yeah, this hair? Oh, that's her car. Oh, tell her I say hi.
Amy, okay?
Yeah, so hi, Amy says hi. Yeah, Hadi, I met your little babies. Hi, Mutar. Hi, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Oh. she's like, I want to be in there. Do you watch YouTube vlogs? Yes? Okay, you better subscribe to my channel then. Okay, guys, so it's day number, I don't know what in Gambia. Listen, the reason why I was not even trying to film was because I couldn't even have internet, bro, to even upload, okay? But today I'm actually going out because I'm cooking for the fam bam because they want me to make a seafood boil for them. Say hi. This is my friend's daughter. And this is Daddy Mutar, aka Rat. Okay, guys, so what am I doing? So we're headed to, I just picked up the the shrimps. So we're making seafood boil in Gambia. What I did was I actually bought everything I need in America because, listen, I want to come over here and be struggling, child. So right now, they bought me crabs. And I have to go pick up the crabs, but I also have to go to my own supermarket to pick up like few things that I would probably need that wouldn't have, and then I go back to the house and cook, and we're gonna eat. Okay, we're just dropping the kids from school. That's what they do. They have uniforms over here. Can you see them? Bye, Amina. She's so cute. Shout out to Mutar because he hooked me up because my video was taking forever to upload, you guys, and Afisel did it. I can't lie. They did it. Yeah, they did it. They trash sometimes, but they did it. He said, "Astaghfirullah." Okay, so now we're headed to Maroon Supermarket. Oh, you only one name Gambia. And I keep going for more them. Oh my lord. Bye, y'all. We'll see you later. See you later, alligators. What I say? Bye. I swear to God, he's not shy. He playing shy. This dude right here, far from shy. Far from shy, okay? We did the struggle together, okay? I'm actually surprised they have most of the stuff that I need. Not all of them. They have, so I don't know if chili powder means cayenne pepper. Because cayenne pepper and chili powder is different for us. They have, I think it's just paprika, but it says sweet. I don't know what this is. Fajita seasoning. I'm vlogging.
You're doing seafood.
Oh, it's anything be called.
Crab is life.
It's in lobby. See kettle, see wine, please.
What else do you need?
That's it.
Because I can't do yoni. What else do you need?
That's it.
Double tanga.
No, see kettle be already. But I'm not going to.
And I think they holy.
No, don't hold it holy.
Crab yangi here.
Call them.
No, get it and you here.
Oh!
I'm not going to take.
This crab is.
I'm gonna make sure I eat this crab.
Don't scream, don't scream, don't scream. Why? Could I make 200 more? I ain't chapter it. No, boy, man, you broke, boy. Say hi to my son. Look at my son, sir. Hi. If I act shy, don't believe that. It's coming out! Oh my god. They're fighting. Yeah, they're fighting.
Uh-oh. Crabs can pinch you. Be careful before they pinch you.
I know.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, crabs. I think...
Can you tell Cordu to come, please?
Huh?
Can you tell Cordu to come? And bring go tell her to bring the hot water.
Carter, bring the hot water.
No, but go tell her.
In the crab.
Woo!
You! I told you!
No, you're so mean.
Uh-oh.
Are you not bad foolish? Gambia, babe. Yeah, I want to touch it without.
Big mouth.
Okay.
Big man sit down, be small down to get me.
Dangal.
Big,
Dangal, dangal.
big man sit down, big. Because he be
Dangal.
big man sit down. In case you didn't know,
Take the female one.
crab,
Take the male one.
the crab like this is the female crab, and the one that doesn't have that
Okay,
is
like,
the male
open
crab.
it.
So this is
Okay,
male.
open the female
no,
one.
this is female and male.
Okay,
no.
this is a male.
Jibril, come see the fish. This is straight from the sea. You guys, look at the fish. There's a tiny little fish. Oh my gosh. It's a baby fish. Look at the fish.
Uh-oh, that's not fish, that's the crabs.
This is the fish. Look.
No, where?
On my look at my hand. Look. No, don't touch it. You see?
Yeah,
It's fish, right?
yeah.
It's a baby fish.
Yeah, it's a baby fish.
Are you scared of it?
No, I'm not scared of
Are
it.
you sure?
No, I just want to hold it.
Who's at the door? Oh my god, look at this. So little.
Okay.
So this is our things, our egrenes.
Dégg moom moom ne même empty de suma loolu dafa bari ay ci bëgg gaaw ay bu naa jël amul stress ni ñëw
No, you need like half of sugar bi ndax du.
na ñëw ci table
So bare moom mu ngi dem amee ay meeting ba pare nit ñi duñ dugg si biir dëkk bi wala ku yebaate ba.
Yow wala nga main sa business.
Du ma ko may dina ko def.
It's not your country.
ma door li ndox
Dooli ko dafa baxal. Dooli?
moom moo waxoon ne def why did you show me ne around here yaa ma ko
Because she's dumb. Dooli. Def ko defal like half of the sugar, right?
When I said around here, but it's not around here.
Li nga moytu ko.
half si yer bi yóbbu ko ba half wi
It's very simple. Very simple.
Yes.
Okay, it's as simple as that.
I don't know. Never. But why are you yelling? I'm not yelling. I'm screaming. This hot pepper is called what? It's called guana. Guana. It's hot. Look at my bougie son eating ice cream. Can I have some, please? Can I have some? He shares with me. Are you gonna say hi to YouTube? Huh?
Yeah.
Say hi to YouTube.
Hi.
Come here, hon. Say hi to mommy. I already have my mixture right here. So the charcoal we have here is different from the charcoal we have in America. This is what our charcoal look like. You see? This is real charcoal. Can you see? Hold on, let me show y'all. We have real charcoal in Africa, okay? Real, it looks shiny actually. Okay, it's not no fake charcoal. Excuse this lighting. It's not the best, but listen, it's late. Trying to vlog in Gambia with no lighting, okay? Actually, I need to go outside and try to add more stuff in here. It's late, okay? So be nice, okay? Add more charcoal in here.
Hawaii.
Big man sit down, small man sit be bike beer. Yes, and you. Make sure you put some respect on his face when you see him around town. No, son, it's not nice. If you wanna die, talk to him. dañ ko war a teg si digga.
ekati ko
waaw
ana oven gloves
ana kubéer bi xaaral ma teggi ko rek ñu rek la si yéen
danga ko teg rek
jëlal ok
ki mën la daan toogee
ak matta ba suñ cati malaan yi lakka
ñun suñ lay suñu woon
ay mu ndaw
voilà
And the seafood bowl is ready. Ready. And here is the nyach. Okay. I told you guys we brought the corns from America. Wow, I'm nuts. So the corns came from America. Oh, looks so yummy. Yummy. Did I say that, guys? Did I say that? Got the hot powder also for more extraness, you know. More juice, more sauce. This is what happens. The aftermath. You can move my video. Oh, Ata. I almost touched you.